Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this last video we created this HTML file, and if you haven't watched my last video, I will recommend you to go and watch that first and then come to this video. So here we have added some text in the body, and now we are going to play with the head tag, and inside that we are going to configure our HTML file. So what are the things which we can configure inside this head tag? So basically we can configure all the metadata for your web application. So what are the metadata? The data like title, icon and description of your web page and the keyword of your web page, which will be helpful in the SEO part of your HTML page. So let's get started and try to add the tags on the data which we discussed. So on the browser you will have your title over here, which is first step.html for now, because we haven't configured any title for this page and the icon is also empty. So first we will add this title to this web page. Inside this head tag you have to add a title tag, and in the title you can pass any text value that will be displayed on the title. So here I am adding my title. Save it and go to browser to check the update. So refresh the browser. So now you can see that the title has been changed to my title. Similarly, we will add description inside this. So to add the description, you have to add a meta tag. Basically, meta tag contains all the metadata of your web page. So you have to pass two values to this meta tag. First is name. Inside that you have to give the name of the metadata. So first we are going to pass the description of your web page, and the other value which we have to pass is content. Inside content you have to pass the actual value of this name. So description and the content of that description. So here you can pass the description of your web page. So I'm gonna write that this is practice web page. Now close this tag. We can add some other meta as well, such as name, author, and content will be the name of the creator of this web page. So you can pass your own name. So I will pass my name. Close this tag as well. So there are multiple meta informations you can pass to your web application. As a beginner, these are enough meta you can pass on your web page. So how to check whether these meta have been updated your web page or not? To go to the browser. So if you check the console of your web page, you will get these data in your console. So how to do that? Right click on your web page and click on the inspect. So here your whole HTML file has been rendered. So click on the head tag, and inside that you can see your description and author tag will be updated. So whenever you are going to update any information inside this head tag or body tag, you can confirm it from this console. Close this console. So this is all about head tag inside your web page. Hope you get the idea about what is head tag and how to use that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.